Hello space fans. Welcome. Today, we explore a celestial event that has fascinated people for centuries, the eclipse. Join us as we uncover the science behind these celestial events, explaining the mysteries of solar and lunar eclipses. Stay with us until the end for some surprising facts about eclipses. And did you know there's a mysterious fact about eclipses that even scientists are still trying to understand? Let's begin. Let's first look at the solar eclipse, a celestial event that happens when the moon moves between the sun and the earth. This alignment is not just a simple event, but a fascinating dance of celestial bodies. As the moon moves between the sun and earth, it casts a shadow on our planet. This shadow has three parts: the umbra, penumbra, and antumbra, each creating different types of eclipses. For those in the path of this shadow, a celestial show unfolds. The experience can be awe-inspiring as day turns into night for a brief moment. The sun appears to be partially or completely covered by the moon. Depending on the alignment, we see either a partial, total, or annular eclipse. A solar eclipse is a profound cosmic ballet, showing the interconnectedness of our universe. It highlights the precise and predictable nature of celestial mechanics. This alignment creates a unique chance to study the sun's corona, its outer atmosphere, which is usually hidden from our view. The corona reveals much about the sun's magnetic field and solar winds, offering valuable insights to scientists. And here's a mystery fact. During some solar eclipses, an eerie, unexplained glow has been seen around the edges of the moon's shadow. Scientists are still investigating the cause of this mysterious phenomenon. After learning about solar eclipses, let's now understand lunar eclipses. This happens when Earth is directly between the sun and the moon. Earth blocks the sun's light and casts a shadow on the moon, causing the moon to change color. Unlike solar eclipses, you can watch lunar eclipses without any special equipment. Ancient people often thought lunar eclipses were signs of important events. Today, we know the science behind them, but these beliefs show how important these events were in history. And here's an interesting fact. Some cultures thought mythical creatures were eating the moon during a lunar eclipse. Now, let's explore the amazing world of total eclipses. These celestial events have fascinated people for centuries, inspiring awe and wonder. In a total solar eclipse, the moon completely covers the sun, turning day into twilight. The sky darkens, temperatures drop, and stars become visible in the daytime sky. The sun's corona becomes visible, radiating outwards from the darkened sun. This halo of light is a breathtaking sight, showing the sun's outer atmosphere. During a total lunar eclipse, the Earth's shadow covers the entire moon, giving it a reddish hue, often called a blood moon. This happens because sunlight, filtered through the Earth's atmosphere, scatters red and orange light onto the moon. The result is a moon that glows with a haunting red light. These moments offer valuable insights into the workings of our star. Scientists use these opportunities to study solar activity, the sun's corona, and the effects of solar radiation on our planet. Here's a mystery fact. Ancient civilizations often recorded eclipses with remarkable accuracy, sometimes even predicting them. These records have helped modern scientists understand historical celestial events and their impact on human history. While total eclipses are amazing, partial eclipses are also interesting. These happen when the moon only partly covers the sun, or when the Earth's shadow only partly covers the moon. Imagine the sun or the moon looking like a pie with a bite taken out of it. Partial eclipses happen more often than total eclipses. During a partial solar eclipse, the sunlight shining through the gaps between the moon's mountains creates a beautiful effect called Bailey's beads. These beads of light add to the magic of partial eclipses. Did you know that ancient people often saw partial eclipses as signs or messages from the gods? This made these events even more mysterious and intriguing. Let's look at the beautiful annular eclipse. This happens when the moon is farthest from Earth, looking smaller than the sun. As the moon moves in front of the sun, it leaves a bright ring of sunlight around the moon. During an annular eclipse, the temperature drops noticeably on Earth's surface. Annular eclipses show us the beauty of the universe, with its mix of light and shadow. Ancient civilizations often saw annular eclipses as signs, thinking they had mysterious powers and messages from the gods. Eclipses have intrigued people for thousands of years, leading to many myths and misunderstandings. Let's look at some of these myths and find out the truth. A common myth is that solar eclipses are harmful to pregnant women and their babies. This idea comes from old superstitions, but there is no scientific proof to back it up. The real danger is looking at the sun without proper eye protection. Another myth is that eclipses are signs of bad things to come. In the past, many cultures thought eclipses were warnings of disaster or messages from the gods. For example, the ancient Chinese believed a dragon was eating the sun during a solar eclipse. Today we know that eclipses are natural events caused by the alignment of the sun, moon, and Earth. Now let's look at some interesting facts. Did you know that a solar eclipse can only happen during a new moon, while a lunar eclipse can only occur during a full moon? This is because the Earth, moon, and sun need to be perfectly aligned. Also, total solar eclipses are rare at any specific location on Earth, happening about once every 375 years. In contrast, lunar eclipses are more common and can be seen from anywhere on the night side of the Earth. Eclipses have also been important for scientific discoveries. For instance, the 1919 total solar eclipse provided key evidence for Einstein's theory of general relativity. Observations during the eclipse showed that light from stars was bent by the sun's gravity, confirming Einstein's ideas. As we learn more about these events, we appreciate the wonders of our universe even more. Eclipses show us that science can explain even the most mysterious things, turning old fears into modern understanding. So next time you see an eclipse, remember the rich mix of history, myth, and science that makes these events so amazing. As we finish our look at eclipses, we think about the amazing events we've seen. Remember, the celestial events we've seen are not just shows. They show the complex workings of our universe. They remind us of our small place in the vast space. We are part of a grand cosmic dance, where each celestial body moves in harmony. Connected with the celestial bodies in our skies, we see the beauty and complexity of the universe. Did you know that during a total solar eclipse, the temperature can drop by up to 20 degrees Fahrenheit? If you found this journey through the cosmos inspiring, we encourage you to explore more about space. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel for more explorations into the wonders of the universe. Until next time, stay curious. See you in next adventure.